Okay.
We're all a bit freaked out here. There's just been quite a big earthquake here in Christchurch. It is 4:45 in the morning. Oh, I'm just feeling a bit shaky. What else has happened? If you come through here with yeah, I just believe I won't have it. Yeah, I'm just playing that and I just... Dad.
Oh, man.
Dad.
Yeah.
Stop banging stuff there.
So everyone's alright with you?
No, those are aftershocks, those bangs.
I told you I'm
Yeah,
the game.
I'll put Simon on. Stephen.
Yeah, well, I didn't wait for this bloody...
Hey. You got your have you got power over there?
It was a 7.4, Simon.
How do you know?
No.
Wow, that is crazy.
Set the cars, it's so dark.
Hello? Is everyone alright?
Oh, let's go back in. We're all got to stick together.
Okay, no one knows what to do. The street lights aren't working. Stop. Right hand rule. Back to basics.
Up top.
Yeah. It's completely trashed.
Shit,
There's
that
the whole
big
building
building's
gone.
come down.
Yeah. Oh my God, I hope the driver was alright.
Oh, it's like... I can't believe it.
Oh man, what would have happened?
Well, hopefully he got out in time.
Yeah, well the door's open. God, and the sun just keeps coming up into a beautiful day. I'm pleased it's a beautiful sunny day. We can recharge our solar light caps for tonight. I think the power's going to be out for quite a while.